welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
New face, but not so new. So I know you're gonna hate me, but we've actually been in New York for like over a week. And I'm like, well, my twin was like, girl, you cannot be here and not do a vlog. So you're getting a vlog the night before I leave. And we are late. I'm so sorry. We're late, but we're headed to the summit. The what?
Summit One Vanderbbilt.
Yeah, so I'm like, you know what? Let's just give them a little mini vlog instead of giving you nothing at all. And yeah, so come along. Alright, vámonos, vámonos. So this is where we've been staying. It's called the Art House Hotel. It's very nice. And yes, sorry, no room tour. We leave tomorrow. Okay, so I'm not wearing any jacket because I don't want to crush up my clothes. But it's not as cold. Like this morning it was a bit chilly, to be honest. Yesterday was warm. New York's weather is very bipolar. This is my little food truck. The night I was meeting Kenny here because I was first in, yeah, you've become very New Yorker. She's crossing on red. There was a, yeah, now we can cross. When I was meeting her here, it was like midnight, guys, and I was hungry. That food truck saved my life. I'm telling you. Don't ask me where nothing is from because I don't know. My auntie's closet, this I had for years. No, I don't want to tell him. Yeah, just fit check. We're actually twinning, but she's wearing that coat. Let it, put it back on. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. So yeah, this is the summer, guys. This is how it looks pretty much. Yeah. When we jump, we'll be in Times Square. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line,
Grand Central, then it comes back, and then it goes back. Yeah.
Oh, so just a shuttle then, not really a real
Yep. Grand Central next.
Sweet, thank you. Can you both eat me? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Need a ticket for it?
Yes. Wait, what's that?
Oh, I just need to know the time. They're gonna check
9 o'clock.
Okay, this is for your photo experience. Just go down the middle one, right?
Okay. Thank you.
Photo experience.
Yeah, it's very crowded. It's crowded. Pretty much it's saying to scan and get your photos. Don't bother scan it to people, just read that part. I don't know. If you want to see my pictures, then you go on the Insta.
We felt this was a building that had to be built to spark a revival. We took the leap. One Vanderbilt was our opportunity to put our mark on the skyline.
This was a building built by New Yorkers for New Yorkers.
This building broke boundaries, redefining what is possible.
We want to create a space that will be unparalleled.
In a way, we'll look back on this period. And the building that will be most looked at and examined will be One Vanderbilt.
Welcome to Summit. Please exit to your right.
Now we're gonna have our photos taken. Is it just a headshot?
It's the full body. All good to go? 3, 2, 1. You guys just want one together?
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Wow.
My ears are popping. So we're in the second room. So the room we were in was literally down there. And nothing much different in here besides this. A line. So we are gonna what I say is the invitation room, and we're gonna see our faces in the clouds. So they pretty much scanned, yeah, what they're doing is scanning the wristband that you got, and your face should be in the, who is that? I'm waiting to see the one that's showing all their teeth. That would be me and you, but maybe they made everybody sad in the clouds. But that's myself. Alright. Cheers.
Yes.
Is this back like 60? I'm wondering why. It's not going anywhere. What?
It's broke.
From 60 to 3. Ew. This is not cute. I shouldn't be in here alone and a madman start running down.
Okay, this is going in the opposite. We're needing that one.
So we're going here?
Alright, hold on.
Let's take a minute. This is going to Queens, girl. We're not going to Queens. What is this?
I don't have a clue.
Let's ask.
Times Square, yeah.
Okay, we're going to Times Square. Okay. No, man. Thank God you're here with me. But I like this.
Yeah, this is the creepiest station.
Relax. At least we don't see no rats.
That right there.
And look at the difference from the subway to Times Square. Okay, now we need to be led by the noise. Let's find the
I think we were right here and then we went down.
down here. Okay.
This was where they grabbed me.
Oh yeah, this is where they arrest you, Mananglia, to take a photo. Like yeah, they just dress up in their costumes. And they take a photo with you and then they tell you to pay them. It says photo right here. Look at all the buildings and you will see the photo they took. Like, yeah, no, and then them ask $20. Hear me, people? Let me turn, look at me. And then them ask me $20. I don't know, like, how much they went down to?
Okay, no, give us 15. Give us 15. Nah.
Yeah.
Okay, 10.
Nah.
Okay, 5. Yeah, that we can.
And then Kenny needs some souvenirs. She needs a New York, I Love New York t-shirt. And now I'm about to meet up with my brother, which you guys should already know, Andrew. Open, brother! My brother!
Hello.
So, we must enter the car, sir.
Are we getting out?
By the way, Laji.
Like a Uber, you know?
I think you would have it,
Hey, how's it going, brother?
Yeah, no, miss me.
You never miss me.
We want to see if I have things going on up there.
She get new man and forget about her family.
Andrea, what? Let's end the video right here, guys. This is not so wicked.
Then your destination will be on the left.
Hello. I'm not even here. Yeah. Police won't stop you for this?
No.
Okay.
Sometimes sit down.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
Listen, the sirens came on.
I swore. I was like, alright, that's it.
That is it. It's like a like, you know, lock this up. Lock this up. It's a sign from God. Lock this up. Lock it up. My gosh.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Like 250 pounds.
Can make it anywhere.
That's kind of cool.
Oh, that is nice.
And these are quick ones too.
Oh, sure. It's so lit. She's so pretty. Huh? Hey.
Alright, go and go back to the Looks good. I need to leave out in 2 hours and I have not packed. Brother. Even yeah, I'm gone there first. So I'm tired. So I'm gonna end this. Alright guys, sorry about that. That was my brother who scared us from behind and got my phone. So as we were saying, so they're still taking photos. I'm gonna head back because I haven't packed and I have 2 hours to head out to the airport. Huh?
Actually, yellow, follow back.
Okay. I don't know what I just said to me, but anyways, okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this. No, I really wish like I was vlogging from the beginning because you would have had so much fun. Like we had a great trip and now I'm signing out.
Shut up, Waffle.
Oh no, go away! Go away! Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. You find new friends!
Oh, God.
There you have it, guys. I really missed you. I hope you enjoyed. I have so much to catch you up on. So I traveled to do my American board exam and I have so much to tell you about it. So stay tuned and you'll see me soon. I'm back. Please, if you made it this far, leave a like on the video. If it's your first time, you can watch some more. Decide if you want to subscribe. I really hope you will, and share the video with someone. See you next time.